Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this super easy manicure for spring with flowers using all the pastel colors that I have. So first I'm gonna apply my base coat and then I'm gonna go with this base. This is from Cirque colors and I think this is a perfect base for my skin tone. I have some other shades that are very on the pink side or the white side, but I think this one just matches the natural look that I want to give this look. I'm gonna be using the clear yellow stamper 241 stamping plate with one design only, along with this stamper that is really soft and it works really great for my nails, and also with the scraper. So all the shades that I'm using are from the Mooncat Technicolor Dreams collection from last year, and they're all very pretty pastel shades. If you're interested in knowing more about these colors, I will link the video that I did on the description below when I review all these shades. So I'm just gonna go and place these flowers on my nails, just alternating the colors. I chose 3 colors to start and then a set of 3 other colors. Honestly, this look is very easy. You don't need to have like a lot of plates or very sophisticated designs. As long as you have one and just like a simple flower, you can totally do something like that. It doesn't have to be flowers. You could choose like whatever design you have and actually just repeat it on your nails and it could look really great. I really like how the colors combine together. If you have this collection, probably you're covered for the whole pastel shades for the season. I'm not very fan of pastels, but I wanted to try something that I've never done before, so I think it turned out pretty great. Then I'm gonna choose this yellow that they have in the collection, and with a dotting tool I'm just gonna fill out the space in the center of the nails, and it's already changing and giving a little bit more color. And then I'm gonna go with Neverland. This is the green from the collection. With the small side of the dotting tool, I'm just gonna create some dots in the blank spaces to give it a little bit of contrast with the other colors that I'm using, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna do a small cleanup. The good thing about using regular polishes is that the cleanup is very easy to do and it doesn't stain. Then I'm gonna apply the smudge free top coat. This is optional. You can go just with a regular top coat. Just make sure that your nails are fully dry before putting it on because it can stain. So this is the final result. I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.